take a second and look at this video. Did you find it interesting? I did, so I really want to try it for myself. So I am going to DIY my flower hairpiece today. So stay tuned with me. But first of all, we need to buy toilet papers because I don't own any toilet papers. So let's go and buy toilet paper. So finally got our toilet papers.
ASMR, but it gets weird.
Let's open it up. This toilet paper was very cheap. It costed me around 70 rupees. So first step is to have pieces of tissue, not tissue, toilet paper. But I don't know how to open this shit. What the fuck? Let me figure this out. So I think we need to have two sheets together. Yeah, let's stack them. Second layer. Now it's single layer. What kind of sorcery is that?
Not even magicians have that kind of sorcery.
Okay, this is tissue stack. I think it is pretty stacked now. Okay, so we stacked it together. Now we need a bobby pin like this and put it right here. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Guys, it is hard. It is not as easy as she made it look. Ah! It is stacked now and now somehow we need to make a flower out of it, and I don't know how. So let's just open them up and hope for the best. This is how it came out, and I think it looks pretty terrible, but I don't know, I can only do this only. So now for eyeshadow I'm going to use a palette that I do not use anymore. And which color should I take? So I'm going to take a peachy shade and put it right here like this. No, okay, finger is not going to work. Let's use a brush. I'm going to use this color. It is pretty flimsy. It looks really bad. Why can't I make it work? I don't know. Even eyeshadow is not sticking on it. I think it is going to be pretty fail, and mine does not look as good as hers. I really don't know why. I think it needs more color. And I'm going to try to open it more. Not at all. Let's put it on again. This is how it looks. It just looks like stack of tissues, not a flower. What am I doing wrong?
You're wrong, and you're a grotesquely ugly freak.
I think this hack was totally fail for me. Maybe I don't have that much talent in me that I can pull this off, but no. I think I wasted my 70 rupees. So stay tuned. So guys, I am back. I don't think we need another hack. It was all my mistake. I was doing it wrong. So let's try another time and do it right this time.
Okay.
Again, stacking the toilet paper up. This is stack of 5 sheets, and now we need to roll it. Roll it? I don't know what it is called. We need to do this now to turn it first rightwards, then backwards. Now at the front and now at the back.
Yeah, boy.
Turn it till the end. This is how it will look in the end. Now I am going to take a bobby pin and pin it out like this. I think it is going to work this time. I am having a vision. I think it is going to work now only because of my talent. So now let's open this up one by one, piece by piece, one step at a time. This is how it looks now. I think it is way better than the shit. I think it looks similar. Okay, we will color it first, then we will decide. I'm going to use a lavender color this time. It is my fault. I think I'm using wrong brush, but I do not have energy to get up and get a good usable brush. I'm going to use this one. Plus it demands lot of patience, which I do not have. I think this is pretty lavendered up. Now let's try the both flowers on and decide which one is better. This is the first one and this is the second one. To be really honest, I think this one slays more. I don't know if I did something wrong again. Okay, let me check that video out again and see if I did something wrong again. Maybe I will give a third try to it. So turned out I did it right, but it still turned out like this, a piece of shit. So I'm going to use my mind, my useless mind, and I'm going to try to save this. For that, I'm going to use scissors and going to trim these things out so that it will not have any rectangular ends. Give it trim to all the four sides. Now try to open it in every direction. Like if you are going to pull this tissue to the right, then pull the other tissue right under it to the left. Same for the others. Already much better. We are going to color this again. I'm going to use my fingers for this. This time I used this pink shade to give it a little ombre look. So now let's decide which one looks better. The first one or the second one, which I modified. Both are shit. This hack is fail. This hack is total shit. I think we should buy similar products to this from outside because these both look really shit. It does not look good. It actually looks like toilet paper. Obviously, we are going to use these on some functions or party or anything. And nobody wants a toilet paper on their head because obviously it is going to be topic of discussion. So yeah, this was all for this video. If you like this video, do remember to like, subscribe and share. If you have some good suggestions about any hack, let me know in the comments down below. Till then, thank you for watching. Do remember to watch my another videos and to subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye.